In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Mail not syncing with Gmail on your iPhone. If you've been having trouble keeping your mails in line, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through 5 straightforward methods to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve this issue. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, the most fundamental thing are your internet connections. Without it, syncing won't be possible at all. Double check that your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. A quick approach to verify this is to open Safari and try loading a web page. If it loads successfully, your internet is probably not the issue, and we can move on to the next step. Otherwise, switch your Wi-Fi connection or give your router a quick reset. Moving right along to step 2, force closing and reopening the Mail app. This can help reset any minor glitches that might be preventing sync. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to bring up the app switcher. If your iPhone has a home button, you'll need to double tap it instead. Now, find the Mail app by swiping left or right and flick it up off the top of the screen to close it. Wait a moment, then tap the Mail icon to reopen it. Check to see if your emails have updated. If you're still experiencing problems, don't worry. Let's examine the Gmail sync settings. Go into your iPhone settings and tap on the section for Mail. Next, head over to Accounts and select your Gmail account from the list. Verify that the toggle for Mail is on. If it already is, switch it off, give it a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can sometimes jog your phone's memory and trigger proper syncing. Step 4 is all about ensuring your fetch settings are accurately configured. While still in the same account section of settings, look for fetch new data. Once here, check if push, a more proactive method of ensuring your emails are delivered on time, is turned on. Not all accounts support this, so if it isn't available, opt for fetch instead and choose an appropriate schedule. Finally, let's ensure that your iOS software is up to date, as software updates can address bugs. Head back to settings, find general, and open software update. If there are any available updates, go ahead and install them. Keeping your iPhone up to date is always a good preventative measure for a variety of issues, including syncing problems. And there you have it. These steps, executed in sequence, should help restore proper syncing between Apple Mail and Gmail on your iPhone. If you continue to face issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for professional assistance. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide proved helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and fixes on the way.